Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm in a little bit of a different setup today, so a little change of scenery here. But today I'm looking at two products. These are products from a company called Artifox, and the main thing they make is, I kind of classify them as minimalist products, but the main thing they have is a desk. It's called the Desk 02, it's the second version. They also have a bike rack that they sell, a shelf, a couple other things, but not a huge catalog of items, but they're really cool products, really clean, really high quality, and really well done. So this is actually two accessories they sell with the Desk 02. Now I am getting that desk. I will be doing an unboxing and a setup of that whole thing. But before that, I have some accessories that go with it, so I thought I'd unbox those and show you these products first. So this is the larger box, is the large stand that they sell, and the smaller box is the small stand. Now the cool thing about the desk is it has a cutout in the back where you can insert these different accessories and screw them in from the bottom, and it makes a really clean look. Now this larger stand is used for, like your, if you have an iMac or a monitor, you can set it on there and kind of elevate it off the desk, which I love that. It gives you some extra storage underneath as well. So that's how I'll be using it. These smaller stands can be anything you want them for. I did buy two. I'm just going to unbox one today because obviously the same thing, but I do have two. I will use it as speaker stands for my monitors. However, I've seen different people use it to set their, their camera equipment on, or a plant, or whatever you want. So, multi-purpose. I did buy two though, and so we will unbox those. So let's start with the larger box. Now, this shipped in a different box, and so I opened it. I took it out. This is the actual product though. This bigger stand did not, so I started to open it and then realized it didn't come in its own box, so I stopped. So it's partly open, but we're going to dive in and do the rest of it. So let's do that. All right, now this comes in two colors. They have a black and white version, if I understand that correctly. Now their desk is, the wood options are maple or walnut, and then the walnut is paired, if you get the walnut accessories, so like the stand, it is the black top, and if you get the maple accessories for the maple desk, it is a white top. So let's check this out. All right, so really cool packaging, really simple. Right here, looks like we got just a simple instruction guide. So it tells you how to attach all that. Cool. Here we have the walnut stand portion. So there's two of these. So this is where you attach the surface of the stand would go, and then this, I'm guessing where the felt is where it would press up against the desk. So nice felt so you don't damage the desk. Set those aside. All right, so these screws, I'll show you in a second, but these would screw into the walnut pieces and go under the desk. More screws. So this is the actual shelf. Wow, it's a lot heavier than I thought. So I don't know, I'm guessing this is metal or something like that. But wow, yeah, it is heavy. I thought it was going to be some type of wood. So this is great. This is super sturdy, and feels very high quality. The whatever brush paint job they did in this looks great. Great finish. Super matte. Cool. So you set your monitor on there, and then the way this would work, I'll just do one side really quickly. Okay. So you just put the screw in here. I'm just going to screw this on real quick. Alright, so there you go. So that screws on like that. And then, like I said, the desk has an actual cutout in the back. And so you would stick this screw underneath, and this would screw right in, and that would attach the whole thing to your desk. So that's super cool, and I'm really looking forward to getting the desk and the rest of my setup done. And then I will do an entire setup unboxing video of not only the desk, but a tour of the desk after that's all completed. Alright, so let's check out the smaller stand now. So same deal with this, it's just a smaller version. This will match the larger stand with the walnut and black top. So let's check that out. Alright, so similar deal. Just a little very simple instruction guide. And then, oh look, that one already comes attached. So, just make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope. Alright, so same deal. You got the felt on the bottom, you got the stand, and then you can attach it to the desk using this. So I will put my monitor up here. I have one on each side, and that's that. So this is the stand from the larger stand, and they match, same type of metal top, and again feels very sturdy, very high quality. So check these guys out, Artifox. Love what they're doing, and hope to see more products from them. They're a little bit on the pricier side, but you get what you pay for. And as you may know if you've seen my channel, I'm a big fan of the Grove Made stuff. Similar type of quality. I've seen a lot of Grove Made's accessories paired with the Artifox desk, and so you can get all sorts of cool stuff that will work together with that. But yeah, the desk also has some other really cool features, so make sure to check that out. And like I said, as soon as I have all that, I will do another video and show that whole setup. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and feel free to comment with any questions you might have. I'd be happy to answer them.